everyone, I'm Shayla from the main branch of Charleston County Public Library, and today in our food literacy program we are going to do a delicious fun spring recipe of pasta primavera. So if you want to know how to make this delicious recipe for your whole family, just keep on watching. So here's the ingredients for our pasta primavera. You're going to have some diced zucchini, some great tomatoes cut in half, a bell pepper, any color. I chose yellow just to brighten up the dish, and you're going to slice half of that. And then we have some carrots that I made into ribbons by using a vegetable peeler. We have some frozen peas, half a cup. Then we have some fresh basil that you can either tear it or you can slice it thinly. We have some minced garlic. Also have some Parmesan cheese to mix into the dish. A little bit of lemon juice. Some butter. And then some pasta. You can use any pasta you want. I just used some penne right here. Just at least half a box. It calls for 8 ounces. And finally, your other tool, you're going to need a pan with some olive oil in it. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take this olive oil in the pan and put the butter in. And we're going to start cooking the vegetables. Okay, so here are the vegetables. You want to cook them until they are they're tender but still kind of crispy. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and put in our basil. Have our lemon juice. And a little bit of the Italian seasoning, which I did forget to mention, but you do need some, just like a dash of Italian seasoning. We'll go ahead and mix that around. And then finally, we're going to have our pasta over here. Let's better look at our pasta. It is our penne pasta right here. I've already drained it, but I have also taken out a tablespoon or 2 of the pasta water. That is very important for this dish. We're going to just add a little bit here and thicken it up some. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take all of our vegetables, and it'll just be easier for us to put it in the pan right here. And we'll just kind of fold it in. Don't want to crush too much of the veggies. All right, so we'll do the most important thing, Parmesan cheese, of course. And we'll mix that in. And finally, To taste, we'll just add in a little bit of salt and pepper. So that was the recipe for our pasta primavera. I hope you enjoy making it for you and your family. It's a really quick and easy dish. This recipe will be included with this video, so I hope you check it out and make it for yourself and your family. And we hope to see you at the library very, very soon. And thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.